Hello friends, in the last class we have done containers. There are basically three kinds of containers: lists, tuples and maps. And we have done all of the containers. And today we are gonna do control structures. In control structures we will do if else and if elif statements. If elif else statements, input function used to take input from user. Till now we were assigning values to the variables, but now we will ask the user to input the values. Name equal to input. We can type anything here. If else, in case we have only one condition. If else for more than one condition. We can use any number of elif in our code. Example, if condition statements. Now I will go to Python. Now I will tell you something new. How to open your Python in a file. So first we have to go on File and then on New File. See, a window will come here like this, and I will write the code. Name equal to input. Now I will write you can type any Harry Potter character, then enter. Now I will do if name equal to, remember that we have to type equal to 2 times. If name equal to if name equal to Ron, I have to put the colon. I forgot to put the colon. Now for the print, now I will write Ron is a good character. Then enter. Now backspace. Elif, no, elif. Elif. Name equal to Voldemort. Voldemort. Print print he is a bad person. Enter. Now backspace. Then I will write one more time elif. Elif name equal to if name equal to Dumbledore. Print he is the head master of school. Enter. Then backspace. Now I will write else. Else. Then enter. Now if else, then in print. Now I will write you are not in this code. Enter. Now for running this we have to do this, go on this run button and click on this run module. For shortcut you can also click F5. So I'm gonna click run module. See, now I will do OK and I will save it by name ABC. Save. See, now it is working. You can type any Harry Potter character. Now I will type name of Ron. Ron. See, it is telling Ron is a good character. Now I will run it one more time. Run module. Now I will type Voldemort. Enter. See, it is telling he is a bad person. Now I will check it one more time. Now I will type Dumbledore. See, now it is telling he is the headmaster of school. Now I will type any other name that is not in the code. Like I can type my name, Rayan. See, it is showing you are not in this code. So I will meet you in the next video. Bye bye. Thank you for watching our video.